If AI has ever given you bland, useless, or confusing output, it wasn't because the tool failed. It's because the prompt didn't give AI what it needed. That's not your fault. Most people were never taught how to prompt clearly. Let's break it down. Here's what causes AI output to fall flat and what to watch for. Number 1, vagueness. The result is too general, so AI fills in the blanks with generic patterns. An example of a prompt like this would be, write a post about creativity. What are we really gonna get from that? Number 2, no context. AI doesn't know the tone, the style, or the purpose, so it just guesses. An example of this would be, summarize this text. For who? And for what? Number 3, mixed or unclear instructions. Too many directions packed together without any structure. Example, write an email that's casual but formal, short but detailed, fun but serious. And number 4, no format guidance. AI doesn't know what shape you want the content to be in, so it just defaults to bland structures. Example, create a plan. What kind of plan? What are the details? Think about the last time AI let you down. What were you trying to do? What did you type? If you had just added one clear instruction, what would have changed? AI doesn't understand your goals. It predicts based on patterns. When you leave gaps, it fills them with the most generic response it possibly can. In the next lesson, you'll build your first supportive prompt. No, this course isn't teaching you how to prompt, but you need to know how to talk to AI in order to get what you want out of it. This is where we start. You'll see how small changes in clarity and structure make AI feel like a tool that helps how you want it to help, not a tool that fails. Complete this lesson and let's keep going.